Are you guys preparing for the BCIN exam and don't know that from where to start? Then this video will help you. As per the ministry data, 50% or more than that students are getting fail in the BCIN exams. After spending too much time and money, even they are getting fail. And as per my experience, there are 4 main reasons to get fail in the BCIN exam. First one is not practicing enough quizzes before getting into the exam. People are reading the building code and they just feel that they are in a really good hands and they will get passed. But if you are not practicing the real exam scenario or simulator, then you are not going to pass. So that's the one reason. Next one is you have to understand building code itself, but not the only building code will help you. You have to understand that what's the exam strategy, what's the rules, and what you have to follow. All of that knowledge will help you to get pass in the BCIN exam. Apart from that, there are too many free resources or resources are available in the market which are not up to date. It's not only up to date, but there are too many resources that are not relevant even to the exam. And because of that, people spend money and time and eventually they just lose their hope. As we all know that building code itself is too lengthy and boring. And because of that, you are not going to be consistent for the real BCIN exam preparation. And that's the last reason I feel that the people are getting fail into the BCIN exams. Hello everyone, myself Vijay Patel, architectural designer and founder of stonewoodpartners.ca. I faced the same issues and after that I got multiple BCIN certificates. Then I started to helping other individuals to succeed in their BCIN journey. Because of that, I understand where the real issues and where I can support the other students like you. And that's why I created this platform, stonewoodpartners.ca. As we understand that there are too many issues with the BCIN journey, I created this exam success roadmap to pass the BCIN exams. There are 3 main pillars: video lessons, quiz, and full-length practice exam. Apart from that, we created small chapters and modules to digest the Ontario building code itself. So once you know that, your journey will start from the referring syllabus. On our platform, you can refer the syllabus, and once you know that what you should read, then only you will start to read the Ontario building code. You don't have to read the whole Ontario building code, but whatever is relevant to your building code exam or BCIN exam. Alright, once you know that, now time to learn and understand the Ontario building code. I personally created the videos in the easy language and with the real life examples so you can understand very complicated topics in the simple language. Once you understand that, now it's time to try your knowledge with the quiz. On the quiz, you are going to practice with the chapters, and once you are passing that chapters, after 3 or 4 chapters, you have 1 module exam. If you are going to pass in their exam, that's really good. But let's say you are not getting pass, then you have to go back to the video lessons or Ontario building code to understand and digest that topic very well. Apart from that, we are also providing a description or reference under our questions on the MCQ exams. So over there also you can learn. Once you are getting pass in this kind of exams and module exams, you are going to practice for the full length exam. In the full length exam, you are going to prepare yourself to sit for the next 3 hours in the real BCIN exam. It's not enough to know the building code or practicing chapter wise quiz. You have to practice and prepare yourself for the real BCIN exam. If you are getting succeed here, it's time to book your real BCIN exam and get succeed with that. If you want to start your BCIN journey, just book now your call, or you can just get the access for the course that you want. Thank you so much.